Hello and welcome to this session. Learning Outcome 3, Be able to configure computer systems. Today, we will learn how to configure a computer system effectively. We will explore the essential components needed for optimal performance, including the role of the operating system, user interfaces, and software applications. Operating systems are the backbone of computer systems. They include Microsoft Windows, Apple's Mac OS, Chrome OS, Linux, and more. Each has unique features and is suited for different tasks. Understanding their capabilities helps in selecting the right one. This choice impacts system performance and user experience. User interfaces come in various styles. They include command-based, forms, dialogue, and natural language interfaces. WIMP interfaces, which use windows, icons, menus, and pointers, are also common. Each interface type serves different user needs. Choosing the right one enhances usability and efficiency. System requirements vary based on user needs. Office tasks, home use, and media editing all have different demands. Understanding these needs is crucial for configuration. System software like diagnostic tools and file managers play a role. They ensure the system meets user expectations. Application software includes word processing, spreadsheets, and more. Utilities like cleanup tools and antivirus software are essential. They maintain system health and performance. Installing the right applications enhances productivity. Utilities ensure security and efficient operation. Setting up equipment like monitors and printers is fundamental. Installing hardware components such as graphics cards is also crucial. Software installation includes operating systems and security software. Proper setup ensures efficient operation. It also enhances user experience and system reliability. Operating system components are essential for system functionality. They facilitate communication between processes. Error detection in CPU and memory is a key function. These components ensure correct computing. Understanding them is crucial for effective system management. Windows OS is a popular choice for enterprises. Its familiarity reduces training needs. Windows has been around since 1985. Its GUI was an extension of MS-DOS. Many users have experience with Windows, making it a practical choice. macOS is developed by Apple and used widely in enterprises. Performance is a major reason for its adoption. Security and ease of use are also key factors. Employees often prefer using Macs. This makes macOS a popular choice for businesses. Linux distributions have become more user-friendly. They are cost-effective for large-scale deployments. Options include Red Hat and Ubuntu. Linux offers trusted security features. It's a viable choice for enterprise environments. Users vary in their computer proficiency. Advanced users need minimal assistance. Casual users have some experience. Basic users often require more help. Understanding user types aids in system configuration. Command line interfaces require text input. Menu-driven interfaces offer options via menus. Graphical user interfaces use icons and graphics. Each interface type has specific use cases. Selecting the right one enhances user interaction. Process management handles running software. File management organizes data. Network management maintains connectivity. Memory management optimizes storage use. Security management protects resources. Main memory stores active programs. Secondary storage backs up data. Memory management involves read and write operations. It ensures efficient data access. Proper management enhances system performance. Security management controls access to resources. It ensures processes have proper authorization. Mechanisms protect files and memory. Security is crucial for system integrity. Command interpreters facilitate user interaction. Software configuration management tracks changes. It involves version control and audits. Planning ensures effective configuration. Proper setup meets user needs. This process involves collaboration across roles. In conclusion, we've seen that configuring computer systems is not just a technical task, it's a strategic process. Understanding key components, from operating systems to user interfaces, allows you to create systems that are efficient, reliable, and user-friendly. When each element is thoughtfully configured, overall performance improves and user satisfaction increases. Apply these strategies consistently to optimize your systems and elevate your brand to the next level. Should you have any questions, you're welcome to message us on WhatsApp at 07484361688. See you at the next session. Thank you for your time.